Hi everyone, today I will show you how to link pages inside a website. So here you have about page, you have blog page, you have contact us page. So to link them, all you need to do is when you have a nav bar and you have a nav menu and nav links. So nav links, these are link blocks, and inside this link box is a text. Or you can just go to settings and click add link, and here let's say this is about page, so we need to create first new pages to link them. You go here, create a new page, and you also need to have a hosting plan to have more than 2 pages, or any other plan for Webflow. And then you go to settings of Navlink, and here you can go to this the page linking. So you have a link type. This is for URL. This is for page. Choose page, and this is for section and other things. So we need a page one. Choose page, and you just choose page which one you want. So these are the name of my pages that I added here. You can see static pages. So you just choose which one you want. And that's it. You publish your website, refresh, and it should work.